Namaste. My name is Samidha Kolhatkar. Welcome to this session where we'll practice Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, also known as alternate nostril breathing. Nadi means energy channels and Shodhan means cleansing. This powerful practice helps purify energy pathways, bringing balance to the mind and body. It's especially beneficial for reducing stress, calming the nervous system, and most importantly, harmonizing both sides of the brain. With regular practice, Nadi Shodhan can deepen focus, inner peace, and overall well-being. So find your comfortable seat, keep your spine tall, and let's begin the practice together. If you enjoy the session, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more pranayam and yoga practices. Let us begin Nadi Shodhana Pranayama practice by settling down in any comfortable meditation posture where you can align the spine with the neck and let the breath restore its natural rhythm. Loosen up the body by relaxing the hips, the thighs, the knees, the feet, and ease out your shoulders. Once again, draw your focus to the tailbone. Let the spine be tall and aligned with the neck. Chin parallel and face gentle. We will begin by using Nasikra mudra, where we open up the right palm, fold the first two fingers in, seal them in the inner palm, and we will use the right thumb to seal the right nostril, and this is the pre-preparation for the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. So we will do our natural breath only through the left nostril, where we inhale and we exhale both only through the left for 5 times, and then we repeat the same through the right nostril. So let's first begin by exhaling through the left nostril, empty out till the belly squeezes, and let's begin with the 5 inhales and 5 exhales. Inhale through the left nostril, your full capacity, and exhale to empty out through the left nostril. Right remains sealed. Inhale through the left and exhale through the left. Be fully aware of your breath. Inhale through the left and exhale through the left. 2 more times, and if you can close your eyes, you will be more in the moment and present. Inhale through the left and exhale through the left. This brings us to the last one. Inhale through the left, full capacity, and exhale through the left till you empty out. Now seal the left nostril with the ring finger and open up your thumb, opening the right nostril for the same run. Inhale through the right and exhale through the right. Fully empty. Inhale your full capacity through the right nostril and exhale till you empty out through the right. Inhale through the right nostril and exhale through the right. 2 more to go. Inhale through the right nostril, your full capacity. And exhale through the right nostril till you fully empty out. The last one. Inhale through the right and exhale through the right. Release and relax the palm on the thigh. This is the first round of preparation. And this preparation we will further take into the alternate nostril technique, where we will run the first few rounds without the counts and allowing us to use the length, the depth, and the force which is natural. And once we know the technique, we will then bring in the counts and volunteer the alternate nostril technique. Let's begin by sealing the right nostril. Empty out through the left till you squeeze the belly. Inhale through the left nostril, your full capacity. You seal the left. You open the right nostril. You first exhale. You then inhale. Through the right nostril. You seal the right nostril. You open the left nostril. You first exhale and empty out. Feel the squeeze in the belly. You then inhale through the left nostril, full capacity. You seal the left nostril. You open the right. You first exhale, empty out, and then start to inhale through the right nostril. You then seal your right nostril, you open the left. You exhale through the left. And release the palm. So this is enough to give us a run of the alternate nostril technique, and which we will now further use by putting counts on the inhale and exhale, where technique remains the same. So let's open up the palm. Pull the 2 fingers in. We seal the right nostril. We first empty out through the left nostril. Inhale through left for 1, 2, 3, 4. We seal left, we open right. We exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. We inhale through the right nostril for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal right, open left, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through left for 1, 2, 3, 4. You seal the left, open the right, exhale, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale through right for 1, 2, 3, 4. You seal right, you open left, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through left for 1, 2, 3, 4. You seal left, you open right, exhale, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You inhale through right for 1, 2, 3, 4. You seal right, you open left, you exhale for 4, 3, 2, and 1. You inhale through the left for 1, 2, 3, 4. You seal left, you open right, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. You inhale through the right for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal right, open left, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1, and release and relax the palm on the thighs. So this was volunteered alternate nostril breath work. We will now practice to bring in the pause in the breathing. And we are going to first take the inner breath retention, which means when we breathe in, we pause and hold the breath inside, which is called as Antar Kumbhaka, inner breath retention. So first we will not use the palms or seal the nostrils. We will first go through the technique, which is with both the nostrils. Just get the feel of what it means to hold the breath inside. And then we will run it through the alternate nostril breathing, where we will have the counts, and we will also use the alternate nostril breathing along with the inner breath retention. So let's first inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, and 1. You exhale for 1, 2, 3, and 4. You inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Just allow the natural rhythm to restore. And we will take this practice into alternate nostril technique, where we will keep the counts for inhale, for exhale, and the inner breath retention equal. So we will work on 4, 4, and 4 each. So let's begin by folding the first 2 fingers in. Seal your right nostril. Empty out by exhaling through the left nostril. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal both the nostrils. Breath in for 4, 3, 2, 1. We open right, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through right for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Open left, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through left for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open right, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through right for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in, seal the nostrils for 4, 3, 2, 1. Open left, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through left for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open right, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through right for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Open left, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Open right, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through right for 1, 2, 3, 4. Seal the breath in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Open left, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax your palms and allow the natural breath to restore. This becomes your first step into the world of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. This is further explored by using the different techniques and progressing into the practice. Once you are familiar, you're comfortable with this basic practice. Thank you, and keep this practice as a part of your daily routine.